Hello, students. If you are a level 3, for the ELAR, this is the anchor chart that you will be using. A little bit different from level 1 and level 2, but make sure that your anchor chart looks like this. Parents, this is a review for your students and should be fairly simple for them. Most of this stuff will be reviews, so that one, we want to keep things fairly simple, especially early on in this new journey of education this way. I want us to work as a team, but I also don't want to put too much stress on you kind of in these uncertain times. So anyways, we'll look at this anchor chart for Unit 1, looking at the difference between nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Noun, person, place, or thing. Verb is something you do, and an adjective describes something. Some basic sentence rules. Start with a capital letter. Most the sentences early on, we're going to end with a period. We're checking for correct spelling that has a verb and it tells us something. And then also looking at synonyms. Synonyms are two words that mean the same thing, such as happy and glad, trash and garbage, silent and quiet. Antonyms are two words that mean the opposite. Day and night, big and small, first and last, up and down, in and out are some of the examples there. So these anchor charts, like the students know, they help them for the rest of the unit. Theirs will be black and white, but it can be removed from the packet to help them on various pages. The first two things that we would like to accomplish on each of our units for Monday would be our pretest. The pretest is just kind of see where they're at, be able to assess them. We are going to circle if each word is a noun, verb, or an adjective. So we know that angry is describing something, so it's an adjective. Yellow is describing something, so it's an adjective. A zebra, like to ask the kids if you could touch it, if you could feel it, it would be a noun. So a zebra would be a noun. Talk is something we do, so that would be a verb. So these are just a few things to remember. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A verb is an action word, and an adjective describes something. So that's page 1 of the pretest. We're just circling if it's a noun, verb, or an adjective. On page 2 of the pretest, we're going to write 3 sentences following the sentence rules. They can use the anchor chart on this. So if we go back to the anchor chart, sentence rules are capital letter, period, correct spelling, has a verb, and tells us something. So we're going to write 3 sentences, fill in those blanks right there. And then we're going to complete the chart. Write a synonym for hard. So this could be something hard like a baseball, or it could be something hard as in difficult. So depending on the synonym and the antonym, it could be kind of how they want to use the word. Synonyms and antonyms for small, rich, cold, mean, and pretty. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to send me a text, send me a Facebook message, or reply to the or a comment on the underneath the video. Maybe create some dialogue between you and some other parents, and hopefully we can get you helped out if you have questions. All right, thank you. Have a great evening.